This brand offers units with factory-installed filter dryers to protect the refrigerant system from the effects of moisture. All of their air conditioners use louvered panel construction, which provides superior coil protection from mechanical damage. They have a baked enamel finish which is durable and keeps the units looking nice for many years. The brand is backed by a very good warranty, but the units are only sold through their authorized dealer network. The DX14SN is a basic air conditioner with an efficiency rating of up to 15.5 Seer, but they are rather loud during operation. The DX16TC is a premium unit with a compressor sound blanket for noise control, and the unit has the ability to communicate with the other parts of the home's HVAC systems to maximize comfort and efficiency. They have advanced Copeland CoreSense technology to monitor system performance and shut it down before the compressor is damaged, as well as diagnostic lights and fault storage for quicker and easier troubleshooting. The guarantee on the DX16TC models includes 12-year unit replacement in the event of compressor failure. The DX20VC is an ultimate unit with variable speed technology and a 24.5 Seer efficiency rating. They are very quiet when running at lower speeds with less noise than a normal conversation. They feature a proprietary control algorithm which uses coil and ambient temperature sensors as well as a refrigerant pressure transducer to adjust performance for maximum comfort and efficiency. These models also have a field-selectable boost mode that increases compressor speed during unusual conditions to ensure maximum comfort. Though the guarantee for the compressor on the DX20VC is better than most, it is not as good as some of the brands.